हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो फार्मा रिसर्चर। तो आज मैं डिस्कस करूंगा जीपैट 2016 ईयर का क्वेश्चन पेपर। तो लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने इनिशियल 65 क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कर लिए थे एंड इस वीडियो में मैं रिमेनिंग 60 क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करूंगा। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो को। सो द क्वेश्चन इज, टू विच केमिकल क्लास द विनका अल्कलॉइड्स बिलोंग? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, that is indole. Next question is, an antibiotic that resembles the 3' end of a charged tRNA molecule is, and the correct answer is option C, puromycin. Next question is, if the cohesive forces in between similar molecules are less than the adhesive forces between dissimilar molecules, a deviation in Rolle's law is observed. Here, which deviation will be seen? And the correct answer is option B, negative deviation. Next question is, phenylalanine, a precursor of most of the phenolics, is higher in higher plants, is a product of which one of the following pathways? And the correct answer is glutamic acid pathway. Next question is, within how many days a pharmacist should dispense diluted aqueous mixtures? And the correct answer is option B, 14 days. Next question is, what molecular feature in penicillin G is said to be mimic? And the correct answer is option D, that is the dipeptide moiety DLRDLN. Next question is, if a drug is known to be distributed into total body water, how many milligrams are needed to obtain an initial plasma level of 5 mg per liter in a patient weighing 70 kg? So the correct answer for this question is 210. Next question is, what does pharmacokinetical compartment mean? And the correct answer is option D, part of the body water in which the change of a drug concentration has the same kinetics. Next question is, the resistance to macrolide antibiotics by gram-positive organism is developed due to, and the correct answer is option B, synthesis of esterase enzyme that hydrolyzes lactone ring macrolide. Next question is, the ethanolic solution contaminated with benzene showed absorbance of 0.69 at 260 nm in a 2 cm cell. If the molar absorptivity of benzene in phenol is 230 per molar per centimeter, what is the concentration of benzene in the solution? And the correct answer is option B, 0.0015 molar. Next question is, the most effective agent for treating psychosis would be, and the correct answer is option D, olanzapine. Next question is, TGA is regulatory body of which country? And the correct answer is option B, Australia. Next question is, which prostaglandins have a keto function at C9 and a alpha hydroxyl group at C11 in prostanoic acid backbone? And the correct answer is option C, PGE. Next question is, when morphine is heated at 140 degrees Celsius under pressure with strong HCl, it converts into, and the correct answer is option B, apomorphine. Next question is, all of the following are gram-negative rods except, and the correct answer is option A, Clostridium. Next question is, the cells which secretes male sex hormone testosterone are, and the correct answer is option B, that is Escherichia. Next question is, if QA and QC are compared, then, and the correct answer is option B, QA is a higher activity in the management hierarchy. Next question is, bioavailability of drug refers to, so the correct answer is S, that is percentages of administered dose that reaches systemic circulation in the unchanged form. So option D is correct for this question. Next question is, following intravenous administration, drugs are distributed fastest to, and the correct answer is option B, the liver, kidney and brain. Next question is, which of the following agents act as hypoglycemic as ATP sensitive potassium channel blocker? And the correct answer is option A, metiglinide. Next question is, Caravelite shows strong IR absorption in which of the following range in centimeter inverse? And the correct answer is option B, 1640 to 1690 centimeter inverse. Next question is, match the drugs with their adverse effects. So the first drug, that is cyclophosphamide, the correct answer is option number R, that is acute hemorrhage cystitis. Next is doxorubicin. The correct answer is option number S, that is cardiotoxicity. For bleomycin, the correct answer is option number P, that is pulmonary fibrosis. And for cisplatin, the correct answer is option number Q, that is nephrotoxicity and ototoxicity. So option D is correct for this question. Next question is, which one of the following technique is used to determine glass transition temperature? And the correct answer is option C, differential scanning calorimetry. Next question is, match the schedules with the particulars they describe. First schedule, that is schedule T, it correctly matches with option number R, that is GMP practices for Ayurvedic, Sikha and Unani medicines. For schedule S, it correctly matches with option number S. Schedule U, it correctly matches with option number S, that is particulars to be shown in the manufacturing records. For schedule V, it correctly matches with option number P, that is standards for patent or proprietary medicines. Next is schedule Y, it correctly matches with option number Q, that is requirements or guidelines to import and or manufactures new drug. So option C is correct for this question. Next question is, which of the following UV rays cause cancer? And the correct answer is option B, UVB. Next question is, which are the types of antibodies involved in hypersensitivity reactions? And the correct answer is option B, IgG and IgM. Next question is, the term used to describe unequal distribution of color on a tablet is, and the correct answer is option B, that is mottling. Next question is, why acetyl chloride undergoes nucleophilic substitution at a faster rate than methyl acetate? And the correct answer is option B, that is the chloride ion is a better leaving group than methoxide. Next question is, the key concept of total quality management is, and the correct answer is option C, that is top management's direct involvement. Next question is, a drug of when given orally is absorbed up to 90% of the administered dose. The drug belongs to which class according to VCS classification? And the correct answer is option number C, class 2. Next question is, which of the following is not a component of evaporator? And the correct answer is option D, cyclone separator. Next question is, in Parkinson's disease, there is a predominant loss of dopaminergic neurons. So the correct answer for this question is option number A, substantia. Next question is, at equilibrium, the receptor occupancy is related to drug concentration by, and the correct answer is option B, Hill-Langmuir equation. Next question is, which method is not suitable to calculate area under the curve? And the correct answer is option A, that is least square method. Next question is, OROS is a technology developed for or as, and the correct answer is option C, for osmotic controlled oral drug delivery system. Next question is, match the events in tablet manufacturing process with the effects found in tablets. First is rapid drying of coated tablets after coaching, and it correctly matches with option number S, that is blistering. Next is used to highly viscous solution. It correctly matches with option number R, that is orange peel. Third is improper feed rate from hopper, and it correctly matches with option number Q, that is weight variation. And for excessive compression force, it correctly matches with option P, that is increased integration time. So option C is correct for this question. Next question is, at pH 5, the ratio of the protonated to unprotonated forms of morphine pKa 7 would be, and the correct answer is option C, 10:1. Next question is, what structure is formed if the acyl side chain of penicillin is hydrolyzed? And the correct answer is option D, 6-amino penicillinic acid. Next question is, the clinical trial is being conducted with 1500 volunteers, which may span on period of 2 years as per protocol. The clinical trial is in which phase? And the correct answer is option C, phase 3. Next question is, which of the following drug has not undergone a clinical trial for its use to decrease intracranial pressure? And the correct answer is option C, acetazolamide. Next question is, colloidal depression have which type of rheology? And the correct answer is option C, non-Newtonian. Next question is, which of the reactive oxygen species is most dangerous to cells? And the correct answer is option B, hydroxyl radical. Next question is, the Gibbs phase rule is, and the correct answer is option B, predicts that a maximum of 3 phases can exist in one component system. Next question is, nerve impulse from the colchia arrive first in which region of the brain? And the correct answer is option C, medulla oblongata. Next question is, the product of a Michael reaction of a ketone enolate to an beta unsaturated ketone is dash, and addition reaction occurs in, and the correct answer for this question is option A, that is 1,5-diketone and 1,4-fashion. Next question is, which of the following is a drug considered as potassium sparing diuretic? And the correct answer is option A, triamterene. Next question is, which of the reagent from the given can be used to protect keto group? And the correct answer is option A, that is acidic methanol. Next question is, which of the following drugs causes less inhibition or REMP sleep? And the correct answer is option A, that is zolpidem. Next question is, the starting material for the synthesis of sulfamethoxazole are, and the correct answer is option B, that is 4-amino benzene, 1-sulfonyl amide plus 3-amino 5-methyl isoxazole. Next question is, match the following plant product with their chemical class. First is beta amyrin. It correctly matches with option number R, that is triterpene, a secondary alcohol. For squalene, it correctly matches with option number S, that is acyclic triterpene and polyene. And for morphine, it correctly matches with option number Q, that is alkaloid and phenol. And for ephedrine, it correctly matches with option P, that is alkaloid secondary alcohol. So option A is correct for this question. Next question is, all of the following except one are subject to a therapeutic drug monitoring. Which one? And the correct answer is option A, phenytoin. Next question is, thiamine deficiency causes decreased energy production because, and the correct answer is option D, that is, it is a coenzyme for pyruvate dehydrogenase and alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. Next question is, which of the following drugs are often found in both prescription and over-the-counter nasal decongestants? And the correct answer is option number B, that is alpha 1 agonist. Next question is, what is the surface tension of water at 25 degrees Celsius? And the correct answer is option number C, 72 dyne per centimeter. Next question is, acridine and xanthine rings are related to each other in that, and the correct answer is option A, that is xanthine is oxygen isoester of acridine. Next question is, colligative properties depend on, and the correct answer is option number B, that is the number of solute particles in solution. Next question is, in polarography must be blocked, and the correct answer is option B, migration current is blocked. Next question is, the propellant commonly used in topical aerosols is, and the correct answer is option number B, trifluoroethane. Next question is, which of the following increase systolic and diastolic pressure in normal patient? And the correct answer is option number C, tyramine. Next question is, a large Reynolds number is indication of which type of flow? And the correct answer is option number D, that is highly turbulent flow. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडेज़ वीडियो। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में जिसमें मैं डिस्कस करूंगा GPAT 2017 ईयर का क्वेश्चन पेपर। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच।